Welcome to my channel Secondar Gadgets Review. Household Window Automatic Water Spray Cleaning Robot Vacuum Cleaner Remote Control Electric Window Wiper Household Glass Wiper. The power supply passes the CCC, CE, FCC, UL, ROHS safety testing and certification. PURUIKAI 309 with automatic spray packing list. 1 host, 1 power cord plus adapter. 1 remote control, 1 battery pair, 2 pairs of cleaning rings, 1 extension of 4 meters, 1 safety rope, 10 cleaning cloths, 1 manual, or English manual, 1 after sales warranty card using Way 1. Wait 20 seconds after starting up until the blue light stop flashing, then start working. Because the robot need 20 seconds to detect the glass plane. 2. Binding the safety rope when using, prevent falling from high altitude. 3. Spray some water on the edge of the mop when working, will be better effect. 4. When you receive the item, please contact us if you have any questions, we will solve it for you. When you don't know how to use it, I will give you answer and send you an operation video. Share, subscribe. Thanks for watching video.